everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting here on the weekly chart where we are seeing our parabolic cycles for Ethereum since the birth of Ethereum, of course, and we are looking here at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave 1 probably, or a wave 8. In that case scenario, of course, you want to seek for 3 corrective waves and then continuation towards the upside, whether it is an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? So therefore, in Ethereum, we are still in a corrective wave for Ethereum. Nothing is impulsive here. We don't see any kind of impulse, any kind of diagonal, because this wave is longer than your wave 3. And this is not allowed, of course, in diagonals, and therefore it turns it into WXY or ABC as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, probably 5 waves down towards, of course, the 0.786 over Fib level, which is 1,540 for Ethereum. Yeah, it might sound very weird that talking about selling in Ethereum in this time for the crypto world, but yeah, we saw already a nice jump for Ethereum, but if we get closer, look what happened here with our curve, parabolic curve. It has made a resistance kind of here, and probably we are reversing soon, very soon for Ethereum. So let's take a look, of course, on the daily chart, what is going on and what it might be the next prices. So as we can see, we are in our wave X here on the daily, where we have probably a W with a zigzag, another zigzag for your X, and of course we are looking probably for a 5 waves toward the downside for a Y, or 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down for an ABC, of course, as well, and finishing your wave Y. In that case scenario, of course, it can finish a wave 2, big wave 2. Of course, we're talking cycle here, right? A very big wave 2, and then moving massively and explosively towards the upside, or it could be a wave B in case we are a ABC and we are looking as well for a massive wave C towards the upside. So these are the things here. Because we have 3 waves down and 3 waves up, probably we are still looking towards the downside. Nothing is impulsive here. This is a problem, guys. Again, there is no really good sign of an impulse on the daily as well here. Well, it can be only 1, where you have here possibly 1 and 2 and then 3, 4, 5, which it might have ended truncated. Yeah, so we did not took the high. However, we took the 886. So maybe we can jump for 1 more leg toward the upside to finish this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then moving towards the downside. However, we still gonna have to check this in case we see, of course, higher prices, in case we break our parabolic trend here and we jump over it and we start to range up. Therefore, I would consider that our wave Y has finished already here very short. But I don't see this yet for Ethereum. And if we look at the 1-hour chart, let's take a look as well for much more information what we could have here. So yeah, if we are looking here at 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and a 5, then ABC, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's the same count. It's yeah, it's not a problem. It's very strong. Okay, this was the crypto trend right here for Ethereum. But after this, the most weakest yeah coin was Ethereum. It went like really with a massive correction after it. We didn't saw this in Bitcoin. We didn't saw it in Solana or in another strong cryptos as Ethereum. Well, yeah, these are the things. And here, if we take a look as well closer, we see, of course, a double 1, 2, but here 1, 2, 3. This also cannot be an impulse. Yeah, it's 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Yeah, WXY. Yeah, so really nothing really impulsive here still on Ethereum. But the only thing that we might still have, maybe we take here for 5 and then moving back down. So if we check on the KGT, let's check the KGT because I trust it so far. I'm still in the testing phase, but so far it has worked for all the coins that that I set up. Now I made I developed the one for Ethereum as well. And look at the sell signal. Look at the sell signal that we got here, and it was really a massive one. Now it is a 1 minute chart, but that means almost a half day, like 6-7 hours. But yeah, it was a very strong sell, and then we saw a retracement, but no buying signals. No buying signals, to be honest. And we are still looking here. It's a very, very corrective and choppy price. And yeah, this might be impulsive towards the downside. So yeah, we might still see lower prices, but in case we are looking a little bit of buying pressure, we might have finished, as I told you, in a small wave 5, remember? We might have maybe one more wave 5 and then move towards the downside. However, the pressure is selling, right? The last signal taken from the KGT is a sell signal. Let's check the 3 minute chart actually to get even much more wider signal. Okay, nothing in, on the 3 minute chart it says, okay, like it's very neutral still. There is no really good signals. Nothing. Okay, yeah, then nothing. Then nothing. All right, so so we stick with the 1 minute chart then with the sell pressure still, because it gives us a sell pressure. Sometimes it shows this buy, but it's still collecting the volume here. It's still calculating the whole volume of the chart, and then it will give you the end result. And here we go. Yeah, we are still in sell. So these are the things. We are in a sell, and as you can see, since this signal has been given here, right, this top, we are still ranging under it. So even if you took, for example, this selling from here, you were doing a profit the whole time. Once this signal has been, here it has jumped a little bit with a buying pressure, but obviously it was not a buy signal. It was just saying, be careful. It might be ready. If it gets the buy, then it might be a reversal. So of course, stop loss. But in that case, it didn't give any buy signal. And here we go. It dropped back down. Then the signal, and you are in profit if you have, of course, sold from that point. And we might still dive deeper. So yeah, that was for Ethereum. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let's stay tuned, of course, for Ethereum. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.